Let's take a look at how easy it is to record a track using the GAIA app on your phone. So there's a couple of different ways that you can record a track. One way is from the top of the screen you see a few icons. If you touch the plus sign with a circle, this brings up a few options. The top one there is record a track. If we touch that, it would start recording a track. I don't like this way because it's not obvious how to stop recording the track. So I'm going to cancel out of this menu by touching cancel at the bottom. Show you the other way to record a track. So on the bottom of our screen, the second icon from the left is trip. If we touch the trip icon, that brings up our record screen. So to start recording a track, we just touch record, and now we're recording our track. We can see that the timer on the top left is advancing, and if I was moving faster, the distance would be advancing as well. To return back to our map, we just go to the bottom of the screen, touch the map icon, and there we are back to our map. When we decide, well, if we want to check to make sure we are recording at any point, we could touch trip again, and we see our timer is advancing and our distance is advancing, so we know we are recording. We could go back to the map. When we decide we want to stop the track, we can touch trip, and this time we're going to touch the little timer on the top left. That brings up this menu, so we could pause the recording of the track if we wanted, or in this case we want to save it, stop it and save it, so I'll hit finish track. That brings up a new menu. At this point I could just hit save and save the track. It is advisable to change the title of your track if you've got the time. If not, you can come back and do that later. You could also do some other things, change the color, change the folder you put it in, but you don't really need to do any of those things right now. So all you have to do now is just touch the save, and our track is saved. At this point, it does give us a few options to do a few more things with it. We could edit it once again. We could put it into a different folder. We could share it, but we don't need to do any of those things. And to get back to our main map, we either hit trip on the top left or hit the little map icon on the bottom left, and there we are back to our map. So that's really all there is to recording a track on the GAIA app.